So what is a frost-proof faucet? How does it work?
So a frost-proof faucet is a faucet that shuts off back here and is designed to prevent freezing by allowing water to drain out from this cylinder here, out here.
What is the drop ear fitting in the wall?
The drop ear fitting is what this faucet screws into in the wall, like so, like so. Like that, and this is actually mounted onto a piece of wood so it cannot bend the pipe or break loose.
So what is the vacuum breaker?
The vacuum breaker is on the end of the faucet, and what it does is it prevents water siphoning back into your potable water system to help prevent contamination.
So if my faucet's leaking from the handle every time that I turn it on, what does that mean?
If when you turn the faucet on and you have water coming out from this area right here, that means the packing nut has become loose, and you can take a pair of pliers and turn it slightly to tighten it, and that will prevent water from escaping.
So I have a hose hookup, and whenever I turn it on, water's just spraying everywhere from where the hose connects, but it's not coming from the hose itself, it's coming from that vacuum breaker. What does that do?
If when you connect a hose to your vacuum breaker and you turn the water on and water sprays out from here, then that means your vacuum breaker has gone bad, and these are replaceable.
So what happens whenever a outdoor faucet like this freezes over the winter time?
So when the faucet freezes in the wall, you have what's called a freeze break, and it can happen on the copper right here or sometimes on the pipe itself. And that is just sometimes when you leave a hose connected to it during the winter, the water cannot drain out like it's designed to, and it will hold the water and then freeze.
In order to replace this faucet, do I have to cut open the wall, or can I do that without doing?
Sometimes you do have to remove either bricks or cut the sheetrock on the backside. It just depends on how it was installed, like with the drop ear, for example. On newer homes, this is more common. On older homes, sometimes it is actually sweat directly into the pipe, and then you do have to open the wall to replace it.
So if my faucet's just dripping constantly, even though I really try to turn the handle off as hard as I can I just change out the washer in the faucet and fix the issue that way?
So with these faucets, you do have the washer. It's a little rubber washer that is designed to sit against a brass seat on the inside of here. Now, they're not designed to be turned off really tightly, but if you do over time do that, it will turn the washer into this little mess here. And you can replace the washer. We don't usually recommend it because it'll probably start leaking a month later if it's been leaking for a while, because that brass seat in here will develop a groove from the water running through it.
I'm Theron Young, president of Legacy Plumbing. I hope you liked the video that we made for you. If it was valuable or helpful, please do us a favor and let us know by hitting the subscribe button. We'd love to know that we're making a positive impact in others' lives and projects. If you didn't see what you were looking for here, check out our other great resources on our website. It may be just what you need to get your project started right.